Oh, this is Fairways.
So yeah, salamat.
In front of the mall. Hi, ma'am, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay, that's good.
So, anything you may... Or maybe tomorrow if you like to do activities.
Fairways and blue water. So, um, the e-bike, whatever you call these, dropped the soap at Station 1. I guess there was a little miscommunication, but make sure when you're staying here, all right, do not let them drop you off at Station 1. Just let them drop you off here. And you got a mall right there. But let's go in. Let's check in. Let's check
If you like
in.
to go this, my name is John. If you are tour guide in Boracay. So,
Huh.
if you like to go activities, I'm tour for you here.
Oh,
Thank you, sir. What name, sir?
ML, Marciano.
Nice meeting you. This is, I have a card, your...
Oh, sige.
Okay?
Ayan?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
May booking ka na to?
Yes. Show them my reservation.
I showed him the here. Can we check in the lobby? Because your papers are not up here.
Saan yung nagche-check-in ng
Reception!
receptionist?
Doon, sir, malayo, sir. Sasakay pa kayo ng sa atin, sir.
Oh, okay. So, wait lang dito sa line na to?
Oo, sir.
Okay. Salamat. Salamat sir.
Oh, this truck takes us? Maybe this is the line.
Nah, we'll just wait. Ma, humawak ka. Ma. Oh yeah, don't mind if I do. Salamat. Man, everything is sweet over here. And then they say, oh, sorry, we don't have a booking for you. Are you ready? Oh,
Both? Think. It's hidden. It's hidden. When you get here, it's so pretty.
it's
I
nice.
still don't even know what the building looks like outside. We're still like, I feel like I'm underground.
They want you to stay here and spend your money here.
No, but it's so pretty.
Check out the receptionist. It's nice.
It's actually pretty though.
I'll be needing your email address here, your name, mobile number, and please acknowledge the resort rules and sign. Then how many devices do you have for the internet access?
Why are you raising your hand? Sure. 3, please. 4? For what? I need internet access, of course. 3.
I will give you extra code. By the way, each Wi-Fi passcode connects devices, so the total of 6.
Oh, so each activates 2.
Yes.
I'll go with the 3. What's your mind?
Can you hold that for me, please? Checking with the breeze.
Cocina Dia Gusta, open from 11 a.m. until 10 in the evening, and then last confirmed service is 9 p.m. We have course meet, and the is located in when I will call here, building to meet where the bus check.
Okay.
Very last upstairs. I think this is normal. And then, by the way, now, sir, we do have a gym, open from 6 a.m. until, excuse me,
By the way, sir, since you're our VIP here, you have a free voucher and you can get this one at the restaurant. Thank you.
Free what?
a drink, vouchers, as well.
Oh, okay.
So if you're going to claim your use, just numbers and cash voucher to the And also we have a gym open for 6 a.m. but you need to wear proper and like coverage for your use. And also we need to fill out the form to be present as well as the monitoring. And also we have a breakfast area for tomorrow. The first one is a mountain cafe under breakfast. And then the second one is the lagoon cafe after breakfast there. But we have the same menus, start from 6 a.m. until 10 a.m.
Getting too old for this. So the name of the building is Sampaguita. Nice touch right here. So I'm a VIP now, okay, with Expedia, and I just got upgraded to this room, which is a suite. So let me take you. That's the building.
We have to start it. Everyone has to put inside the folder. He said, don't go there.
Well, no, you can go.
Let's have your nose.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Lay my stuff down here.
Now these have some short breathing right here. So these are complementary useful. This is all from free and available in one selection. And then since I'm time to
It's my view.
yes, for people siya. Pero once na po yung release, bago mo willing is di po, and then request later for it as first one.